was a third world problem. Third world problem. Entitled to paved streets, curbsides bordering the lawns for the opportunity, or just plain marching to the chorus, singing their morals, vocalizing we not them are worthy of love, labeled as superior or less to the gods, blinded by the separations between grains of dough. The fire blasting through the flesh of her loved one. His lifeless body, his lifeless body falls face down, pressed against the ground, cold, cruel pavement. Breath and blood, last sound, marching to the choir, singing them orals, vocalizing we not them are worthy of love, labeled as superior or less to the cause, blinded by the separations between grains of dough, haunted by the pull of power and glory, blinded by the separation